Hello guys, and today I will make this grab and go. Yes, and the grab and go is grab and go is the most popular design in my shop. So before I was make a lot grab and go, and every time to make it, I just feel very happy because because I feel I'm so proud of myself that how could I design this beautiful and functional package and this cover to be a to be a to be a traveler's notebook. So I'm really love the grab and go and everything about it. So you can see it's just like so many pieces of the packets here, and grab and goes front cover, yes, and the yes, and these two. So I remember before I made a grab and go usually take me about 4 or 5 hours, but now I'm getting better and fast. So I think I can make it about in 3 hours. In 3 hours, I will make it. Okay, so let's start to make it now. See you guys later. Yes, the grab and go is done here, and because while I'm sewing the notebook cover, I will use the stick to stick on the cover, just protect the letters and make the letters more beautiful. And so you can see the shapes here, but that's fine. I just later I will put oil on it, so it will cover it. So you can see the grab and go with the glossy old boots is really beautiful. Yes. Inside, just like this, I have 7 car slots here, and 2 big room in the cover too. Yes, 2 big, and a sectorial pocket in the back, and the page holders. Yes, and I just use all the same yellow tones of the colors to make this cover. Yeah, and it will looks more balanced. Yes, so you can see here it's a grab and go today, and this is a B6 slim size, so it's easy to let you carry out every day, and because I think most of the new friends to come to subscribe my channel, and they maybe didn't see the grab and go. So every time I make a grab and go, I will just make a video to talk about the grab and go again. Yeah. So here is the grab and go today. Okay. Wish you guys will love it. Thank you. Bye bye.